Hi, welcome to Tracey Road Frame and Collision Center. So we're here today to introduce our new piece of equipment that we have. So we picked up a Starliner 40-foot 10-tower frame machine. So the reason we went with a Starliner is it's made in the USA. It comes with the 10 towers with all the rams, which is going to allow us to do frame corrections from 360 degrees. The big portion of that is going to be, rather than putting trucks on the machine backwards or forwards or changing positions, we can put a truck on here once and do all the corrections in one shot. So that's going to be a real time saver. It's also going to allow us to do multiple pulls. Every tower can pull at the same time. So that's going to be a big deal for us, which is why we didn't go with a frame press system. We opted to go with the tower system. Let's take a minute and put a truck on here. Okay, so as we had stated, we put a truck up on our rack. The ease of this machine is you can do 360 degree pulling. So with all the 10 towers, we can rotate them right up front. We can do front pulls, side pulls. All of these towers also twist on an angle. So we pretty much have unlimited ability to go through and do any pull that we want to do at any angle. With an optional roller that we have on the floor over here, we'll go over some of those. We can anchor down here and do straight down pulls. And as we had stated before, the beauty of this machine is having the ability to put things up top. So the truck that we have here is a side rollover, and the nice part about it is the cab does have a lot of damage. It has structural damage. It has a buckle in the roof. We're going to be able to hook onto the side of this cab and be able to pull this cab damage out prior to putting on new parts. With press machines and other types of aligners, you're strictly working from the waist down with a lot of the press machines. So these tower machines, the chain machines with 25 tons of pulling, is the absolute way to go. This has been a great upgrade for our shop, and it's really going to save a lot of time, and it's going to fix trucks and fix them properly. All right, so we've upgraded this package with a large accessory of clamps, chains, jacks, and everything that we're going to need to implement any type of a frame correction. So on the board we have all of our mow clamps where we can actually hook onto cabs, hook onto certain sections, and do everything that we'll need to pull. We have a number of rams down below that are going to be frame spreaders. These frame spreaders are integral. When you have damage such as diamond, sway, twist, sag, any type of a height correction, you're always going to have some deflection in these frames because they wind up having channels. So when you have those problems, you can keep them spread apart and you can straighten the frame the same way that the frame or the damage occurred. Just reverse that process. So we also have straps that we can pull on to axles and pull housings and pull things forward as far as suspension goes. We have all of the lower press systems. These lower press systems can either be used as a push system or it can be used as a simple hold system to hold one area and pull another area forward without disturbing any further sections. We have all the clamps. We have C-presses, which take out specific buckles in the frame. We have all of our power jacks to lift the truck up, to hold support, and all of our tie-down systems. So these tie-down systems will actually anchor the truck right to the frame machine to allow us to do these 25-ton, add a block to it, 50-ton pulls. So here's our impressive package of all of our accessories, and we have a lot more to come too. We have our frame measuring system that'll be here within the next 2.5 weeks. We also have a complete suspension alignment system where we're going to be able to do up to 4 axle alignments, which would be like a concrete truck. And including a concrete truck, that's also going to give us the ability to do triple axle frames. So we have single axle, triple axle, double axle frames. We're going to be able to do all of it. Hey, thanks for checking out our video on our new upgrade of our frame machine. So check back with us at the end of the month of March. We're going to introduce our new 3D frame mapping system for all of our frame measurements. This is latest, greatest, state-of-the-art. We'll also at that time be outlining and showing you our axle and suspension alignment systems. So all computerized, 2 separate systems. Check back with us at the end of the month and we'll highlight all of that. Hey, thanks a lot.